Hi. Image management. Are you looking to create a better image for yourself? Lifeline offers image management training. This certified 3-day workshop addresses topics such as dressing well, makeover to body language, interview skills, being an etiquette expert, personal branding, carrying yourself with confidence, improving mental well-being, channeling positive energy, and getting along with others. By focusing on 3 essential aspects of the image: appearance, behavior, and communication. Dr. Vijayan, master coach and business strategist, will help you make a good impression, stand out from the crowd, and feel better about yourself. We have raised the standards to the international level in image consulting. Who is it for? Working professionals, entrepreneurs, sales professionals, aspiring models and actors, aspiring beauty queens, business owners, executives, CEOs, architects, professionals, image management content, art and science of creating first impressions, clothes power, art in everyday dress, line, shape, color, texture and pattern, makeup, grooming, and personal hygiene, face shape, evaluation and impact on makeup and accessories, personal style, concepts and avenues of styling, styling project, cluster your clothes, wardrobe evaluation, closet organization and smart, shopping, body language, etiquette ready, image scope and lifestyle clinic, fit and fashion clinic, color evaluation, personal style evaluation, wardrobe evaluation and cluster clinic, public speaking and presentation skills, training and delivery skills, leadership skills, effective team management and motivational skills, transactional analysis, interpersonal skills, goal setting, negotiation skills, emotional intelligence, customer service ready, sales ready, managing conflicts, vocal and verbal communication, interview skills, time and stress management, body language, public speaking and presentation skills, training and delivery skills, teamwork during the training, writing content, objectives, and outcome, training need analysis, benefits of image management training, highly advanced and flexible course structures, training modalities to fit your timelines, effective transformational strategy, thorough follow-up process, chart your growth, assist you in your transformation, build strategies and corrective measures, enhance self-esteem and bring out the best attributes, empower you with your great strength, confidence, improve your overall appearance, develop your personal power, learn unique and efficient color assessment systems, thorough understanding of the world of image consulting, earn and explore the possibilities of having a global career, develop your influence on the world around you, get certified by a well-known training institute, get trained for your image management certification, mentoring to help you launch your business as an image consultant or a stylist, exert your influence on the globe. Sign in today itself and get a world that makes you look polished. All the best.